at your feet, oh. You have to wash your feet. Ha? Ang among cutie pie. Ang among cutie pa to. Look at your feet is dirty and my floor was dirty. Ara, naginugasan ko. Ha? Go wash your feet now, Mila Tote. Ano, si Yaya? Wala na si Yaya. Well, Yaya is busy. Yaya is busy. Good. Oh. Yaya is busy. Where's Yaya? There, Yaya. There, Yaya. Ang bato ya, ready, ha? She's asking for me hairstone. I get hairstone. Where's the stone of Mila? Where is the stone? Where is the stone of Mila? Where? Where is the stone? There, the stone is here. There. Where is the stone? Where is the stone? Maano ni sa matindog. Okay. Nahulog. Cardio. Okay, come on. Kalma. Oh, kalmado kami subong. Oh, here's the stone.
Luto na init na init sa isda.
Okay, goody. Ayan, she's... Oh, malakas lang ang stone. Yay! Where's the stone? Stone is here on my hand. Okay? Get it? Come on. Get it? Oh, look at that. She got it. She got her stone. Okay. One more time. Show it to Yaya. This is stone. There's a magnet in this stone, but your feet is dirty. Look at it. His feet is dirty. See? Kikislida.